up next is our little DIY animal Easter basket.
I just got what you're gonna do. That's adorable.
Okay, so these are super adorable.
Okay.
These are such a great way to make your kids or your niece or nephew or grandchild's Easter basket super special and personalized to them.
I'm jumping ahead. I'm
Go
very
ahead.
excited.
Okay, so you can tell what we're gonna do. We're gonna make an Easter bunny face right here, and then we're gonna make some Easter bunny ears. So I'm gonna just start here gluing these Easter bunny ears. You wanna make sure that you're not letting small kids operate these glue guns unsupervised.
Right, because they'll be gluing their brothers and sisters to something.
At best,
At least
probably,
I
right?
would.
Yeah, exactly. So Rachel is doing the face. So I'm gonna do these little Easter bunny ears. Can I give you mine?
Give me yours.
And
Wait, where do you put them? Right here?
Right there. See, she's a faker. She's a faker. She
This
likes
is
to
making
pretend
me really happy.
Yeah. You are craftier than you put on, I think.
I did not know I could do this. Oh, look. Oh,
Can we
look,
show everyone?
Wait, where's his
put
butt?
Put
He
your
needs
little
a tail.
You're right. Here, let's put on a little cotton tail.
Okay, look.
And you'll see it's so
Doodad.
simple. I mean, we did this so easily, and it makes the basket just, oh, look at that. And here, let's put the little schmutz in here. And then you can fill them.
Oh, look, there's a chicken.
There's a chick, too. They're so cute.
I am so getting into this now. You're making me like pink.